guys, John Britt here. Hey, I'm just announcing I have this new PDF called Secrets of Cobalt Crystalline. It's a cone 10 to 13 electric. And I did a bunch of different firing cycles to get all this. And so that's all outlined in there. So what I thought I would do with this video is not be a part of the free online glaze course, but more just be an announcement. And also what I'm trying to do is just document what I have, because it was fairly massive. So I have all these different tiles and variations, and then I had all of these, which were more things. All of these tests there, all of these here. Anyway, so that's the story, and that's what I wanted to do, was to just sort of document it, and even for myself for later. But it's all outlined in the PDF, so that's up to you. Yeah, so here, this is just what it looks like. It's this nice halo-y pink, spotty stuff, and then I did some variations where I got this big copper crystal here, or yeah, big. You can feel the texture of that, and then so another variation of that. These are nice. These little shapes. So that would be like, I think that was one coat, and that was two coats. So it's very sensitive to application. Also runs pretty good. And then you can see how these crystals are even like split, so they're pretty cool. Just really nice glaze, super easy to get a lot of variations. You can also like turn it silver, like this one turns silver. Maybe I'll just do this, is like just come down here, see these, and then like like on the back I would just write what the glaze is, CX61X20. This is the firing cycle. Let's see how that one turns silver. And so you can see, look at the variation you can get. I don't know what this one's, 16X12, 3 coats. And then this is like a super weird one. But see, you could do a whole bunch of variations of just one tile. So that's why I'm trying to document this, because I just didn't have time to do it all. I didn't even put these in there. These are silver added to the glaze. And then I refired it in reduction. I think I got some more there that are nice. Like that one, I didn't even see. I never even saw that one. That's a good one. Yeah. I did get some of these really nice halo-y ones. Like these circles in there. That was beautiful. And then I think some of these were, oh yeah, just versions of it. But just, they're like cells dividing. Very nice. I mean, it's just endless. You couldn't even really pick what you wanted, but then actually you got, I didn't even talk about this one, but who knows what I did there. So it's like super fertile ground to try stuff on your own. These were just really good. I don't even know what does that. I don't even know what that says. Oh, I see. Yeah, I think it's one. 10. CX110. Yeah, because that's CX109. So I was just doing probably variations of this type. And yeah, so yeah, see here's these split sort of crystals. I don't even, wow. So I did a whole bunch of variations of firing cycles because you could just adjust it a tiny bit and it would really change it. Super crazy. And then, yeah, and these, see, this turns really nice silver on refiring. Put these in the front row because I thought they were probably the best. See, that turns silver. Oh, that's a beauty. That one's kind of cool too. It's got like a sort of a crystal in a crystal there. And these are like more bronzy, round ones. That's a beauty there. And then some of these you have to pick up to see. There's very metallic. And here's an idea of if it's too, that looks really good, but right here on this part here is real thick, so it's killed it. So you have to be super sensitive to, that was a beauty. Look at that one. There's another metallic one. And then these are just really nice pinks. Yeah, I can't even, you know, they're all super. That's why I had trouble making the PDF, because picking the ones that were, you know, that you should focus on. But I mean, like, you basically pick any of these up and they're just so nice. Oh, oh my goodness, look at that one. And then these are more metallic. I don't know what that, oh yeah, 180, okay. And I would, like, this is purpley. Yeah. These are just like standard looking crystals, but still very nice. Yeah, oh, that's sweet. This could be. All right, so, oh, I haven't even, I hadn't even gone over here yet. I'm just going to keep doing this because then maybe later I'll remember stuff. Yeah, you could spend a few more years on this one. This is where, oh, those turn really crazy color. Or even these behind here. That's a beauty. I drop tiles a lot. Or they get stuck. I'm pretty sure this one got stuck on something. Here's more of those kind of green ones. So this is a whole nother area you could do, is this whole green stuff. Or that was a good one. I never even really noticed that one. But that was nice. That's really nice. And this is like super subtle here, but very nice. These were back to the other crystal ones I was showing on the other table. So, and I had some, you know, some were just, you know, completely oddball-y, but that's very nice. Or these really weird pink ones, or really weird so that might be enough for you. You can see how many variations there were from this one. What's about 4 glazes I used. And then I did once I found the firing cycle, I did 50 firing cycles in this thing. And the reason was because this has like 25 cobalt in it. And cobalt's very expensive, so I thought I would make up some batches and make as many tiles as I could from 200-gram batches, and then I fired them, just kept firing them differently to try to locate the cycle before I started varying everything. And sure enough, once I got the cycle, then the variations were actually super easy to do. It's very sensitive to change once you have the cycle. Like, that's a beauty. Or this one's a beauty too. This like lavender fields. See, that's one coat. It's probably, might be 2 and then 3, so it kind of kills it if it's too thick. Anyway, so that's the deal, and it's all available here in this PDF. And I wish you the best with it.